I'm back with another. Sup, guys? I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna be flying in X-Plane 10. So, this is my second gameplay video in my YouTube channel, and I hope you enjoy it. Alright. This time, we're going to flight school. I'm going to land a Cessna 172 SP. So, the region is SeaTac, Washington, difficulty 1, and its score, I got 85 out of 100. I'm just going to show you how I do my landings. So, let's go. Alright, here we go. This is the Cessna 172. Okay. Alright, let's put it to 30% as we're slowly descending. Alright. Flaps 10. We need to keep the plane lined up to the runway. I'm at 1,300 feet. Add some throttle to 50%. Altitude is a bit low. It should be. But then, as you can see, we're descending to runway. I know this runway. It's runway 16 right. Now let's go to this view. See, I'm descending. I'm at 76 knots, 75. Alright, let's slow the plane down a little tiny bit. Sorry if it keeps showing the sign on the very right. We're getting close. This is going to be a soft landing. Up. All right. We're at 560 feet. Now we're descending to the runway. On the very left, there's the airport. And straight ahead, here's runway 16 right. Let me left. Alright, here we go. Slow it down. I'm a pro at landing. Well, I don't mean to brag, but I'm kind of good at landings. Alright. Here's runway 16 left. Alright. Pull the throttle all the way down. Alright, here we go. Alright. Touchdown. With the brakes. Move the rudder a little bit. Perfect landing. The aeroplane. Alright. My score was 91 this time. It's a really good score. Let's go see the replay. Alright. Here's me about to land. And on... Alright. Here we go. This is how we landed. We landed softly. Very softly. Alright guys, that should be it. Please subscribe to the channel and give me a like. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.